Tag, you're it. Mastering English tag questions. Hello learners. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we'll be diving into the fascinating world of tag questions. So what is a tag question? Well, stick around to find out. A tag question is a special kind of sentence in English. It's a statement followed by a mini question. The whole sentence is a tag question, and the mini question at the end is called a question tag. Confused? Don't be. Here are a few examples. You're studying English, aren't you? Or, she isn't coming to the party, is she? In these examples, aren't you and is she are the question tags. The general rule of thumb for using tag questions is that if the main part of the sentence is positive, the question tag is negative. And vice versa. For example, it's a beautiful day, isn't it? Here, it's a beautiful day is positive. So, isn't it is negative. And he isn't here, is he? Here, he isn't here is negative. So, is he is positive. There's an exception to every rule, isn't there? This one's no different. When the statement contains words like never, no, nothing, we treat it as a negative and the tag question is positive. For instance, she never talks to him, does she? Even though never talks sounds like a negative, the tag question is still positive. Does she? Here's a fun fact about tag questions. You can change the meaning of your sentence just by changing your intonation. If you say the question tag with a rising intonation, you're genuinely asking a question. For example, she's coming to the party, isn't she? With a rising intonation is asking for confirmation. But if you use a falling intonation, it sounds like you're just confirming something you believe to be true. And that's a wrap on tag questions. We hope this video helps you in your journey of learning English. Remember, practice is key. So try using tag questions in your daily conversations. See you in our next video. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't forget to leave your comments below and subscribe to our channel for more useful lessons. Happy learning!